Hi, this is Ron from RonJ.com. So we're doing another video, and in time for the upcoming iPhone 17 launch or ongoing ng iPhone 17 midnight launch here in the Philippines, ay sinalba tayo maski paano ng smart communication. So thank you for that. Dahil unfortunately, yung isang iPhone launch ng isang reseller, wala tayo sa invites. May mga invites na iba. Yung isa namang official, isa pang iPhone reseller, Zone, at yung isa naman is wala tayo nakuha ng concrete na response. Yung isang telco, for some reason, yung socials nila is hindi sila nag-tease ng about sa upcoming iPhone release. So, let's go to the other picture or other story about this. Actually, medyo a few hours before yung midnight is nilabas lang, recently lang nilabas ng Smart Communications socials yung mga list ng stores na magpa-participate for the ongoing or the midnight launch ng iPhone 17. Yung nabanggit sa atin na there's no particular na video launch sa Mega Mall. And nung nakita natin itong particular social post na to, ang pinakamalapit na area natin is SM Calamba. So, we tried our best na baka sakali, baka makita tayo ng iPhone at isa man lang ng iPhone 17 or kahit yung box man lang ng iPhone 17. But unfortunately, this particular midnight launch sa SM Calamba Smart Store is for only claiming of the device. Another unfortunate thing is ang allotted lang is na magstay doon sa particular mall na yun. Kung sino na yung mga nakapag-pre-order na already given it sa proper stores itong said naman. So, isabihin, since wala tayo sa list, is ang only way na makakuha lang tayo ng information ng mga plans na wala sa website ng Smart, either sa dedicated na smart.com.ph/iPhone, or if you click the Smart Postpaid sa .com.ph, tapos click mo yung Get Plan, wala din yung list na yon. And even nung chinek ko yung Smart Infinity, medyo hindi concrete yung plans. Walang particular na plans na may kita ko doon. So, here's the list. At least binigyan tayo. At least we might empty-handed kami. Medyo luhaan ako ng konti doon na dito natin nakita yung device. Pero hopefully very soon for the benefit of our readers, makita natin in our own little way yung iPhone 17 family. Pero i-bring muna natin yung list of plans. Links of plans na hindi nyo makita doon sa mga binanggit ko na website links ng Smart. So since hindi natin makita yung matino doon sa website links na nabanggit ko from Smart iPhone, ito na yung particular na complete list pati yung cash out. So post nyo lang yung listahan. Ito yung particular for the iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro, up to 512 gigs na iPhone 17 Pro. Do note na itong lahat ng plans from Plan 999 na sa under na signature plan until sa Smart Infinity merong only 5G. Pero magsa-start lang yung I guess yung only 5G and 4G sa 2999 kasi nung tingnan ko yung website ng Smart, as of we edit this video, wala yung 2999. Ang nakikita ko is plan 2499 kung saan doon yung only 5G and 4G. Yung plan, lahat, all across the plans, merong only call and text to all networks, tapos only landline calls, tapos Netflix mobile, access to Smart postpaid perks. Yung plan 99 as 20 gigabytes of data, 1499 is 40 gigabytes of data. Plan 1699 is 60 gigabytes of data. And yun, dun sa 1999 lang yung pinakamataas na plan na hindi only yung 4G data. Although they listed is only 5G. So sabihin, kailangan nasa 5G area para ma-access mo yung para na hindi mo bawasan yung allocated na mobile data mo on this one. So, let's go to the next picture. So, you can pre and post naman para makita nyo yung completely. So, itong cash out na to is one time. Wala silang Unfortunately, walang 12 or 24 months na cash out link. So, kaya mag-cash out ka talaga. So, next picture. And ito yung naman sa yung list ng plans for the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max sa under ng Smart Signature plans. Kasama na dito yung Smart Infinity for device plan 3, 5 and 5,000 plans. As you may check na ganun din, same rules pa rin, 24 months lock-in period, one time lang yung cash in, cash out, wala silang 12 or 24 months cash out on this one. So nasabi ko naulit, di ko na ulitin yung kung ano yung plans 999, 1499, 1999, 2999, 3, and yung sa Infinity plans na 35 device plan and 5,000 device plans. So as you may take notice, you can feel free to pause on para makita nyo maigi yung actual cash out prices. As you may notice, wala silang ino-offer na 2 terabyte na plan for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Not sure if they're the right person to ask bakit walang 2 terabyte options for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And unfortunately, sure kung nalimutan nila or dahil sa konting rush din or lately ko lang din napansin nung I was already going out of the mall na wala silang ibigay na plans for the complete plans for iPhone Air. Pero based sa website naman ng Smart is it starts with 59,100 na straight payment or 2,763 per month na cash out for 24 months kung magpo-postpaid plan ka ng 14799. Parang pero lately ko lang na-check na yung may installment ng cash out is nasa only sa pre-order. So we have to clarify sa Smart Communications kung tama yung naibigay sa atin ng information ng Smart SM Calamba na one-time cash out lamang ito. We'll get back to you on that. Lagyan natin ng information about that. So, kaklarify lang natin na based sa pagkakasabi sa atin ng isang official ng Smart SM Calamba na one-time cash out at walang yung mga binigay na prices sa atin for the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. So, that's it. At kung sakali naman na ayaw nyo nang magpatali sa postpaid, at gusto nyo ng open line na iPhone 17, iPhone Air, iPhone 17 Pro, at iPhone 17 Pro Max is meron tayong store links na makikita nyo sa lower left corner ng video na ito. And also nasa description. Okay, mag-alala, legit yan kasi nasa under mismo ito ng Apple flagship store sa Shopee. So, better to get one from those links. Garantisadong mas panaragdig kayo if you want an open line version from any of the iPhone 17 family. So, kudos pa rin sa Smart Communications for giving us some time and information. Pero we have to verify it after this launch kung talaga nga bang walang installment for the cash out. Which is contradicting kasi kung pwede sa pre-order and dahil baka tapos na kasi yung pre-order or baka tama nga sila na after ng pre-order is wala ng installment for the cash out. So, I hope you like this video. Follow social media description below. And sakto, for the midnight launch ng iPhone 17 here in the Philippines. This is Ron from RodoJ.com and also click the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching.